The Himalayas, a name synonymous with majestic peaks that pierce the clouds. But beyond the breathtaking scenery lies another treasure, the captivating pink salt that's become a staple in kitchens worldwide. And did you know, people in Nepal and Pakistan exploit 1,000 tons of pink salt in a day, equal to the weight of 157 elephants. So grab your pickaxe and get ready to unearth the magic behind the pink. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. The Himalayan mountain range holds many secrets, and one of them is the origin of that beautiful pink salt. Millions of years ago, vast prehistoric seas covered the land where the Himalayas now stand. As these ancient oceans evaporated, they left behind massive deposits of minerals, including a thick layer of salt, the foundation of our pink treasure. Fast forward to today's dramatic mountain range. The colossal Himalayan peaks weren't always there. Powerful geological forces like plate tectonics push these ancient seabeds upwards, carrying the embedded salt deposits with them. Millions of years of pressure and movement transformed these prehistoric salt layers into the rock formations we mine today. But what about the captivating pink color? Here's the exciting part. Trace minerals like iron oxide, trapped within the salt crystals for millennia, are the secret artists. These minerals not only contribute to the pink hue, but also hint at the salt's incredible journey, a whisper from a time before mountains even existed. So, the next time you sprinkle Himalayan pink salt on your dish, remember, you're not just adding flavor, you're adding a pinch of prehistoric history. Now, let's move on from the past and explore the present. Before we start, here's the Captain Discovery quiz about this pink salt. Why is the Himalayan pink salt different from the sea salt? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Comment your answer below now. Miners access the salt deposits deep within the Himalayas using modern equipment and sometimes traditional hand extraction methods. They extract large pink salt rocks. These involve using heavy machinery like drills and excavators to break through the rock and access the salt formations. Some producers still prioritize this method, which involves manually extracting the salt rocks using pickaxes and other hand tools. The approach is considered more eco-friendly, but is also slower and requires more manpower. So which methods do you prefer? Can you share your thoughts? The large pink salt rocks extracted from the Earth's depths undergoes a size transformation. First come the crushers. industrial behemoths with heavy rollers that resemble oversized rolling pins. For some producers, jaw crushers take center stage, their powerful jaws mimicking a titan's bite, squeezing and breaking the salt into smaller pieces. The next stop is the milling station. In sprawling factories, industrial grinders like whirling dervishes further reduce the salt particles. Picture a high-speed ballet of blades and grinding wheels, their rhythmic dance meticulously honing the salt into a uniform consistency. The next step focuses on achieving purity and removing any unwanted companions these salt crystals might have picked up along their journey by water. In some cases, the salt might take a final detour through a drying chamber. After the optional drying stage, the salt might undergo another round of sieving. This ensures a completely uniform particle size, creating a consistent texture and ensuring even distribution when you sprinkle it on your food. Some producers might categorize the salt based on the final granule size. This allows consumers to choose between finer grinds for tabletop shakers or coarser grinds for use in grinders or salt cellars. After all the processing is done, Himalayan pink salt gets dressed up for your kitchen. The packaging depends on who will be using it. Big, strong woven bags are perfect for restaurants or stores that use a lot of salt. For people who use salt at home, there are shaker jars made of glass or strong plastic. These jars have lids that close tightly and often come in different sizes. Some Himalayan pink salt is even made into chopping boards, a relatively new innovation for kitchens. Sustainable development in pink salt production is all about creating a brighter future for our planet and communities. It emphasizes eco-friendly mining practices that protect natural habitats, conserve water, and use energy efficiently. By safeguarding biodiversity and conducting thorough environmental assessments, we ensure a harmonious relationship with nature. Innovative technologies and eco-friendly packaging are key to reducing our environmental footprint. Continuous improvement, regular audits, and educating consumers about the benefits of sustainable pink salt help drive positive change and foster a greener, fairer world. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of Himalayan pink salt. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.